In a small Wisconsin barn, 5 men changed cycling forever. This is the story of Trek.
1975. Dick Burke and Bevel Hogg start a company in a rented red barn. Not a factory, a workshop.
No robots, just hands. They built 900 steel frames that first year, each one a promise.
By 1981, the Pro Series proved America could compete with Italy and Japan.
1983. The 850 hit the dirt. Trek wasn't just for the road anymore.
Borrowing from Aerospace, they introduced the bonded aluminum 2000. It almost broke them, but it taught them everything.
1986, the 2500, Trek's first taste of carbon. But true carbon mastery was still years away.
1989. The Trek 5000 was revolutionary but flawed. Quality control failed. They scrapped it entirely.
Rather than quit, Trek went home. They decided to build carbon themselves. No outsourcing. 1992. Optimum compaction, low void. OCLV carbon exceeding aerospace specs.
The 5500 frame, the lightest production road frame on Earth.
1993. Trek brought a legend into the family, Gary Fisher, mountain biking royalty.
The Y bike. It looked like science fiction. It won design awards and shocked the industry.
Klein for aluminum perfection. Bontrager for components. Trek was building an empire.
1999, first American to win the Tour on an American bike. The world took notice.
October 2001. Project One launched. Suddenly, your bike could be a masterpiece.
2003, the Madone. Named after the climb Armstrong used to test his fitness.
The first aero road bike that didn't ride like a tank, wind tunnel tested.
2007. Internal cable routing changed the aesthetic forever. Clean, fast, silent.
2009, they shifted focus from aero to pure grams, the lightest Madone yet. 2012, camtail shaping, cutting air without cutting stability.
2015, IsoSpeed, a decoupler that gave compliance without suspension, a game changer for pavement.
2014, the split, Émonda for climbing, Madone for speed, 2 paths to victory.
But let's hit the dirt. 2005, the Fuel EX arrived. 100 millimeters of travel.
2008. Active braking pivot. A pivot concentric with the axle. Braking doesn't lock the suspension anymore.
Full floater mounting, better leverage, smoother stroke. It just felt bottomless. 2014, Boost 148 spacing, bigger wheels, stronger wheels. The Fuel EX grew up. 2020, the modern era, long, low, slack, 140 rear travel, the do-it-all machine.
Internal frame storage. No more saddlebags. Trek thought of everything.
This is the DNA. From World Tour pavement to Enduro World Series mud.
2012, a dark chapter. The sanctions hit. But the engineering legacy survived the scandal.
From a barn to a global campus, Trek now sells in 90 countries.
Manufacturing spans Germany, the Netherlands, and Taiwan. Precision, global scale.
2018. Madone goes disc. Stopping power meets aero. 2018. Madone goes disc. Stopping power meets aero.
2022,
The IsoFlow cutout. Compliance without an extra part. Genius.
2023, 6 geometry settings, mullet wheels, coil shock ready. This is the Trailmaster.
Size-specific chainstays. Finally, tall riders don't get punished.
2024, the Reconvergence. One bike to rule them all. Madone Gen 8.
Full system foil shaping. 77 seconds per hour faster. 900 series OCLV. The highest grade carbon they have ever produced.
Total integration. Cables invisible. Aero, clean, brutal. But numbers don't climb mountains. The Fuel EX pedals like a hardtail and descends like a downhill bike. That's the magic of the suspension kinematics.
Since 2000, women's specific design. Touches, contact points, geometry.
And let's not forget Electra. Fun, style, flat-foot technology.
The history lives here. A museum of progress.
Day or night. Pavement or dirt.
It always comes back to the builder, the mechanic, the rider.
From brass torches to autoclaves, the soul is the same.
Today, Trek chases yellow jerseys and stage wins.
And escapes into the forest.
(2026), 50 years. A half-century of American grit.
This isn't just about carbon and alloy. It's about the ride.
From Waterloo to the world.
It's the simple love of pedaling.
Trek. Built by riders, for riders.
Love the history? Hit that subscribe button and join the Factory Wheels crew for more cycling deep dives.